Welcome to the Awareness Ministries TV, where we believe in community development through general knowledge, public issues, and evangelical presentations. I am your host, Brother ID, the preacher with testimony. Today, let's look into how to make ourselves proud of ourselves. That is, how to make you proud of yourself. It is very possible that you are the only person you will get to be with for your entire life. It is possible. So it would be wise and wonderful for you to get to know yourself and to like yourself and to create the kind of self that you will be enormously proud to call you. I want to grow my proudness too. When we talk about proudness, it's not to be rude, to be proud of yourself. And I'm going to give a series of tactics to grow your proudness as a suggestion. Let's start from making decisions that honor our genius could help us to become proud of ourselves. Keep promise you make to others. Consistently do uncomfortable good things. Do what you are scared to do first. Never miss any chance to help someone. Be productive. Optimize your craft daily and relentlessly. Rise when you fall. See your scars as medals of bravery. Be kind mostly and tough when necessary. Talk to others with respect. Talk to yourself with love. Use all opportunities to realize your mastery. Hurt no one. Forgive those who have caused you grief. Create more than you consume. Grow incrementally daily. Consistently do uncomfortable good things. Before you can grow your proudness, it means you have realized those things you want to do, you find them difficult to do. So to begin to grow your proudness, first of all, you have to begin to do those things that are difficult to do, but are the things you really need to do, and stop doing those things you don't want to do that you do every day. Romans chapter 7 verse 15 to 20. I read, I do not understand what I do, for what I want to do I do not do, but what I hate I do. And if I do what I do not want to do, I agree that the law is good. As it is no longer I myself who do it, but it is sin living in me. For I know that good itself does not dwell in me, that is, in my sinful nature. For I have the desire to do what is good, but I cannot carry it out. For I do not do the good I want to do, but the evil I do not want to do, this I keep on doing. Now, if I do what I do not want to do, it is no longer I who do it, but it is sin living in me that does it. The day a man realizes this fact, that what he does every day are the things he really don't want to do, that those things that he wants or needs to do, he finds them difficult to do, that is the beginning of knowing yourself, to become proud of yourself. I urge you to get to know yourself and to like yourself and to create the kind of self that you will be enormously proud to call you. Because this will cause you to be confident. To inspire you to believe in the dreams that people told you are impossible, and to prompt you to feel very good about being inside your skin. Don't forget, this is ID's Public Awareness Ministries, where we believe in community development through general knowledge, public issues, and evangelism. I am your host, your Brother ID, the preacher with testimony. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.